Hello everyone, welcome back to The Greatest. If you're new here, hi, I'm Cherrie, and this channel is about success-driven tools and strategies for new bloggers to achieve clarity and focus. In today's video, we're going to talk about holiday gift guides. So let's get started. Now, what are holiday gift guides? A holiday gift guide is one of the ways to make money blogging. Although seasonal, holiday gift guides can be your last hurrah if you plan to boost your blog income before the year ends. And holiday gift guides come in different forms. Number one, it can be in the form of blog posts, like product reviews. And then we also have social media posts, like what we commonly see on Instagram. Pinterest pins, of course. Let me show you some examples. Um, If you log into your Pinterest account and type holiday gift guide, this is what you will see. There. So these are gift guides. So if let's click one and there you go. So the gifts for homebody. And then there's more for gifts that you can buy at Amazon there. And then of course we have gifts for women under $25. So there. So basically, you are giving your audience an idea of what deals are there available for them for the coming holidays. So of course, aside from Pinterest pins, we have email newsletters. So you're probably receiving emails right now about, holiday gift guides or promotions. And of course, YouTube videos. Now, how do we create a holiday gift guide for our blog? Number one, the first thing that you need to consider is, of course, your audience. So you have to be familiar with your audience demographics. Some of these demographics are, of course, gender, age, income, profession, educational attainment, and of course, interests. So, for example, if you are a lifestyle or fashion blogger, most probably your audience would be females between the age of 18 to 35, fresh graduates with white collar jobs, minimum to high income earners, um, graduates, and of course, those who are interested in makeup, skincare, clothes, and shoes. Another example is assuming you are a work from home mom or you're a stay at home mom who has a mom blog. So, most probably, your audience would be, new mothers or well, all kinds of moms between the age of 25 to 40. Um, Moms looking for ways to earn extra money while in their pajamas or without leaving the house. Skincare junkies for self care and loves to buy baby stuff or DIY projects or just anything around the house that they can help with their lifestyle. So if you're able to find out or to know your audience, it will be easy for you to come up with what they need, what items they need, and what to include in your holiday gift guide. Next is you have to utilize your platforms. So obviously, as I've mentioned before, you can't just write one holiday gift guide on your blog and that's it. You have to have other ways to promote these items. And again, you can use Pinterest and your Instagram or Facebook for these gift guides. Or let's say, for example, you wrote a holiday gift guide for girls, like what to give holiday gift guides for your boyfriend under $50. So, of course, after you hit the publish button on your blog, you can repurpose the images and turn them into Instagram posts or reformat them and turn them into Pinterest pins. So there. Number three, of course, aside from giving recommendations, you have to inform your audience about upcoming discounts and promotions. So the most common are, holiday gift guide under $50 or best home deals below $300. So as because let us go back to our number one item about your audience demographics. So if you're able to know, your demographics, you can recommend products that are within their budget. If not, you can inform them about discounts, sales, and other promotions where they can save more. And moreover, it is also best that you inform your audience ahead of time. Now, where can we find products for your holiday gift guide? Of course, there are affiliate networks like ShareASale. If you want to know more about ShareASale, I've also talked about this in my previous video. I will have the link in the description. So basically, this is what you can do. So assuming you're going to write a holiday gift guide about clothes. So I am on my ShareASale account right now. So for example, I'm going to write a holiday gift guide for working girls. So I chose this merchant, Sense of Style. They sell clothes, shoes, hats, and anything affordable. So I'll just log in, click them, and then click Get Links. Okay. So if I want banners, I'll just click this. And then below, sorry, my internet connection is very slow. You can find banners that you can embed on your blog post. There you go. All right. So assuming I want to promote t-shirts like this one. Okay, I just click the image there, scroll down, copy and paste the HTML code. Just click select all. Go to your WordPress dashboard, WordPress blog post that you're working on. Click the plus sign, type custom HTML. There you go. And then paste the code here. Click preview. There it is. And then for me, I always convert to blocks there so I can see how it looks. And then align to center. Save draft. There. And then I'll just click preview so I can take a look how there. And there you go. All right. Now you can start selling. So every time a visitor clicks this image, the visitor will be redirected to the Sense of Style website so they can just click add to cart and purchase the t-shirt, therefore giving you commission. So there. You can also download these images, by the way, and then upload them on Pinterest and Instagram and also on Facebook. There. And that's about it for today's video. Well, to wrap up, like I said a while ago, a holiday gift guide is not considered as evergreen content. Because when you say evergreen, it's always timely, any time of the year. So with holiday gift guides, obviously it is only for the holidays. I remember early this year, I wrote 2 blog posts on the greatest for Valentine's Day. And I posted these blog posts 2 weeks before Valentine's Day. Unfortunately, I didn't get affiliate sales from these 2 blog posts, and that is because um, it didn't get enough attention because I am already closer to the holiday and it's only one day. So, there. So if you really want to make money blogging with holiday gift guides, know that these aren't going to help increase your affiliate sales nor website traffic after the holiday season. However, or the holiday date. However, there are instances when other companies extend their holiday sales until the coming year. This means you can continue promoting your holiday gift guides until January. So we are a few days away before we start the fourth quarter of 2020. So right now, as I'm recording this video, I'm already planning for the gift guides I will be writing over the weekend. So if you're not yet signed up with ShareASale, please sign up using my link below so you can start earning next month and plan your content so you can boost your affiliate sales. And of course, do not forget your affiliate disclaimer and legal pages to protect your blog. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please click the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload. That's about it for today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.